Hello everyone, myself Poonam Mishra from Department of Public Health Dentistry, Chhattisgarh Dental College and Research Institute, Sundara Rajnandgaon. Today, I will demonstrate about the indices used for assessing gingival disease, that is the gingival index, under the guidance of Dr. Suraj Multani sir and Dr. Anirudh Khedulkar sir. The gingival index was described by Loy H. and Silnes J. in the year 1963 for the purpose of assessing the severity of lesion of gingival soft tissue.
Now the instrument used are a mouth mirror and a blunt probe.
Now the method of recording gingival index. The severity of gingivitis is scored on all the teeth or on selected index teeth. The index teeth are 1-6, that is the maxillary right first molar, 1-2, that is the maxillary right lateral incisor, 2-4, that is maxillary left first bicuspid, 3-6, that is mandibular left first molar, 3-2, that is mandibular left lateral incisor, and 4-4, that is mandibular right first bicuspid. The tissue surrounding each tooth are divided into 4 gingival scoring units. The facial surface, it is divided into the distofacial papilla, the facial margin and the mesiofacial papilla and the entire lingual margin in order to minimize the variability in scoring. In this case, the index teeth, that is 1-6, is missing. Therefore, in such cases, we examine all the teeth present in the oral cavity. Now coming to the scoring criteria for gingival index, will give a score of 0 in case of absence of inflammation or in case of normal gingiva. Will give a score of 1 in case of mild inflammation with slight change in color and slight edema with no bleeding on probing. Will give a score of 2 in case of moderate inflammation and with slight bleeding on probing. Will give a score of 3 in case of severe inflammation and in case of spontaneous bleeding on probe. Now I will show you the recording format for gingival index. Here in distofacial papilla, bleeding on probing is present, so we'll give a score of 2. In facial margin, bleeding on probe is present, so we'll give a score of 2. In mesiofacial papilla, bleeding on probing is present, so we'll give a score of 2. And in lingual margin, no bleeding on probing is present, so we'll give a score of 0. Now, coming to the calculation of GI as per our examination. The score for 4-4 is 2 in distofacial papilla, 2 in facial margin, 2 in mesiofacial papilla and 0 for lingual margin. Now, to calculate the GI score for 4-4, we'll add all 4 scores from areas and then divide it by 4. Similarly, we have to calculate the GI score for individual tooth we have examined. Now, the GI score for an individual tooth is calculated by adding the index score for each teeth and then dividing it by total number of teeth examined. Now, coming to the interpretation of gingival index. If the gingival score ranges from 0.1 to 1.0, then it is the condition of mild gingivitis. If the gingival score ranges from 1.1 to 2.0, then it is the condition of moderate gingivitis. If the gingival score ranges from 2.1 to 3.0, then it is the condition of severe gingivitis. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, that is PSD CDCRI. Thank you.